Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogrene. In this video, I want to show you this applet I designed using the GeoGebra classic software. And this is just an applet that shows how the turtle moves around in GeoGebra. It's one of the beauty of GeoGebra using the turtle command to do some work. So this applet, I designed it for teachers and students that want to learn or teach perimeter in the classroom. Now, we already know for perimeter, we are talking about the distance surrounding the shape. So what I focused on this video is I focus on regular polygon. So let me just demonstrate how this applet work. And remember, if you need this applet, just go to the description of this video. I drop the link of this applet. Just click on the link. It will open in your browser. Then use it to teach your students. Use it to learn and get the graphs. It's a good applet to understand perimeter and to understand regular polygon. Let me show you how it works. Now you can see three sliders here. So this first slider is telling you how many times this turtle is telling you how many times this turtle will go around to form the polygon. You want it to go around once, that is to repeat 4 times based on the number of sides. Then the side here now is just telling you the type of polygon you want. For example, I have 4 sides here. That means this turtle is going to form a four-sided regular polygon, which is a square. So if I move this slider to 5, it's going to form a pentagon, which is a five-sided regular polygon. Meanwhile, take note, this number of sides and repeat need to go together. If I leave this one at 4, the turtle will just move only 4 sides. It won't complete the fifth side. That is why anytime you put whatever number you put at side must also be the same number you are putting at repeat. So that is that. So let's test it and test this one and see how it goes. So if I click on go, see how the turtle will form a five-sided polygon, which is a pentagon. Then with this show vertex, you can now see the vertex of the polygon and just like that. So it's a simple applet. Why this distance is telling you the length of the side, tell you that the distance of this of the various sides of the polygon is going to be 2 units. You can also change this distance. You can make it 1, 2, 3. I did it up to 5 because the polygon can only be 5 cm or unit of 5 throughout the side. So let me start with this distance 5. Let's see. So just click on go. See the turtle will start moving. So you need to move the first side of the polygon, which is 5 units. You see it has turned, it's forming the second side, another 5 units. To turn again, form another side. This is also 5 units. So this is 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It's doing the fourth one. Then to complete the fifth one, making a five-sided polygon. See, that is all. So as long as repeat and side are the same, it will form 5 sides and stop there. So if you want to see this vertex, the point at this 5 side, just click on this. Just click show vertices. See, the 5-sided polygon has appeared. So with this, you can teach your children perimeter of a shape, how it moves around like this using the turtle. If you want the turtle to go again, just click on go. It will go around. You can view how it goes round to the first side, going again, second side, just like that. Just like that. So this is all about the applet, nothing so special with that. All you just need to do now is to change the number of sides of the polygon you want. You can change the distance you want and look at the time of repeat you want. So to go back, click on clear, but let me remove the show vertices first. If you click on clear, everything will go back. Start again. So let's see a simple polygon. Let me see something like a 6 side. Let's assume I leave this repeat at 4. You will see that this polygon will not complete the side until I put the repeat equals to this. So let me move this side. Let me reduce the side to, let's say, 3 distance. Let the distance of the side or the cm, let it be 3 units or 3 centimeters. Okay, let's go and see what will happen. So remember, we are forming a six-sided polygon, but we leave it at repeat 4. So this is the second side, this is the third, this is the fourth. So the total will stop at 4, you see. It stop at 4 because repeat is not up to the number of sides. So if you make it up to the number of sides, it will go like that. If you put the repeat more than the number of sides, it will stop here and keep going. So it's something nice that you can show your children for them to understand this applet. Let me clear this off. If you go now, you see it will complete the six-sided polygon. So this is what I want you to get from this applet. It's a nice applet. Based on the teacher, you know what you want to teach, you know your objective. You can use this applet to achieve what you want in your classroom. All right, so that is all I have for us. You can do whatever you want. You can change the distance to 1. You can increase the size. I stop at 20-sided polygon in this example. Then you can repeat it 20 times so that 20 times will show. If you want to show the vertices, just click on this. It will appear. You know what is happening now? I did 20 here. That is why the vertices is wrong. Let me clear this off. Let me close this. If I move my turtle, it will move 20 sides. Just watch. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if you want to see the vertices, you click on this. You see all the vertices will appear so that you can count the side in your classroom. So that is all for the applet. To get this applet, as I said before, go to the description of this video, click on the link there, and download it in your system and use it anytime in your class. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Do have a nice day.